Today na welcome straight lo Strongim Bilif Podcast. Podcast blow you, Bible study blow you, devotion blow you, where I'm come to Tok Pisin na come lo get a fortnight. Time you free, time you round no town, time you sit down no PMV bus, time you stop nothing lo house. Haram is patok na ba Strongim Bilif blow you. Last time, yumi story lo God straight pa man. Na got straight pa pasin. Na mi blow se man mere blow me pa tu can behind him. Same pasin, same thinking, same style or same M. Today, you may go ahead, lo this plus series, lo yumi lukluk, lo one and way na ting Papa God God. Today, I'm topic lo yumi, and Papa God, and faithful man, and trustworthy. So this plan, story lo yumi. Me start with one story. Last week, one man ringing me. I'm asking me, lo bungin mem lo town. Lo trinde, lo 10 o'clock morning. So me talk, yes, me agree. Talk, yes, you may bung lo 10 o'clock morning, you may bung lo town, you may bung lo site lo market, where normally you may sabung na you may sit down na yung story na you may make him some talk. Okay. Mose Monday companies, Tuesday companies, Trinde now. Okay, Trinde morning, me lose a house, me gisi bus, me go to town. 10 o'clock sap, before little 10 o'clock, me sit down no side lo market, na with him this plaman. Now 10 o'clock come up, 10:15 come up, 10:30 come up, this plaman, me no come yet. Me no so impes, na me too, me no clear. Dus ting o something disturb mem, sambla plan blame, me no come up alright, o bus delay do keno se. Me too, me no kisimo pa text blame, lo by delay o keno se. Alright, me wait yet. Me going up lo 11 o'clock now. Me ting branty lik. Mo na, by come today, o no nap come, o me got some reason blame, o se mo nem. Okay, me go 11:30 now. Me no look him this plaman yet. Me too, me no kiss him about text. Lo, by come late, or got some blah plan, or mosem. So me think lik. On him. Me wasting time blow me, yeah. Me sit down nothing, me wait nothing. You know, one plus something come up. Me no about making one plus walk. Me sit down, that's all now waiting man. Okay, 12 o'clock now. Bello straight. Me think, okay. Me last now, me go back to house. Because I'm talking come at 10, I'm no come. Alright, na meeting was gaman me, like tricky me, or got one ting plan. Lo no swap. So this plus sampla man is stop where only walk lo gaman me pla. Sampla man yosem kating blow yet. Sampla taman only walk lo trick too. Sampla time too, sampla plan this step. Sampla something bamin plan lo me plan na bagrap na lo mas plan no plan too alright. But sampla man too stop where walk lo gaman. Now, one man is stop. Why Emi no making one gaman lo life plan. Why less true lo gaman. This plaman Papa God yet. Papa God less true lo gaman. Because Emi making one talk, Emi sa holding this talk. Something sa talk out lo too something sa come up. Good plaman straight plaman true plaman lo this plan. Man lo talk promise. Man lo come up strong for something. And man no talk promise. Lo English you may talk one him. You may talk faithful. Faithful man. Now too trustworthy man. You may can trust him. Because him got this pasin. Lo making promise. Now hold him this promise. So you may look him. Papa God, yes, faithful. True man. Make him one talk. Something too by come up through. Two talk lo. Making one walk. Walking something. Two walking something. Now come up. Two, behind him this promise where make him penis. Behind him this get a talk where talk penis. Behind him this something where make him. No gaman. No trick. No got corruption blame. True man tasol. Good pasin straight, huh? Ting him. Good pla. So him this pasin lo yumi or someone. Lo true man. God so him this faithfulness. Time mock him covenant, lo Old Testament. Time mock him contract, one time all man. One time all line blame. Made him show him this passing blame. Make him contract, one time all line Israel. Make him contract, one time first man, make him Abraham. Make him contract, one time Abraham. Now make him talk promise land. Talk promise blame on him. Talk him piginini blame, back him up, planty. More than all legal western lo nambis. Hard true lo count him. Emos namba blo piginini blo Abraham. Make him nakamapim. Make it talk promise to lo Israel bagat crown blo met. lo later can stop good, no can stop safe lo displa hap. Na em tu make him talk promise lo Israel by God blessing blol, where all two by go out na blessing mo narabla. Displa you can look him lo start chapter 15 verse 17. M2 em no make him promise lo Abraham tasol. Em behind him displa pasin blo em when you talk out lo promise na make him promise. Em make him promise lo Moses and bring him Israel out lo Egypt because all stop kalabus lo hap. So God look at this pla ware blol. Na emet em lead him this pla line lo Israel go out lo Egypt. Alright. This pla Pharaoh this pla king blol biket lo God dead. Now like stop him all lo go. Na God dead and bring him this pla 10 pla plague, 10 pla pasin no good lo line lo Egypt. Where only stop him Israel lo go out. Okay. In ablo one time where all Egypt is surrender. Now only can go free. You may look at Exodus chapter 19 verse equal 24. You may too look him, Papa God walk him contract one time King David. King David em talk him or some family blow em can stop or some king na look out him Israel lo long pla time through. This plan come up lo long pla time and one pla king pla house pla King David and look out him Israel. Now you may can look him too. Time you may look him story for Papa Mama bro Jesus yet. Emi go back in up lo emi bring him King David again. So this pla talk promise by Papa God and make him to David em come up through. Alright. So Papa God a man em true pla man a man plo talk promise na man plo holy this pla promise. Em holy this pla promise he go. Na you pla ting one em online Israel too. Em online lo holy talk promise ano God. You may look him story blood testament, you may look story blood Israel. You may sabe em Israel em line lo biket. Em line plo make kind pasin. Em line plo behind him on ting blood yet na only no behind him ting blood Papa God yet. So you may look him time only making this pla pasin. Em Papa God too by losing mo na ranaway lo one him. No God. Papa God em behind him yet promise plo em na emi go yet. Na em holding promise plo emi go. Time all Israel walk lo biket, na all no behind him God yet em stop na ready one time all. Emet em somebody one time all. Emet support him all yet because emet em holding promise where emet em give him. Promise problem emi no sanap antap lo pasin lo narapla. No God. Promise problem sanap antap lo talk where emet em give him. Antap lo emet em true pla man. Em faithful man. Na suppose lainim brook him promise. Suppose Papa God look him lainim plo Israeli brook him promise. Suppose I'm look him mipla today brook him sambla promise. Em belhat and tablo displa. Emi no run away, but em belhat lo displa. Emi no like him displa something because em like him promise. I must come up. God emi no sama mas suppose mon pla promise em brook. Em man plo holim promise na suppose arba in holim em displa something kirap in belhat plo em. Lo deal one time all Israel M2 em asalim planti walkman blem go. Lo straight him all, bring him all come back. This pro walkman you may call him prophet. Now walk blol planti walk blol prophet lo sing out him all Israel come back inside lo contract for Papa God. Behind him same passing where all you agree em. Behind him this plus style blow walk about one time God did. This plan walk mark blol planti all prophet lo Old Testament. Now planti time only come back na Papa God straight him all now only come up one back again. This plan covenant da. This plan ting lo make him contract one time line. Em come lo God yet. And tablo this plan passing lo God where em faithful. M2 em talk promise lo em by come up lo line plan. Now M2 em lo this plan contract em talk was em yes this plan line man married with Israel come up line blow me. Now me too by come up God blow. So I make him this plan strong plan covenant, this plan strong plan relationship, strong plan friendship lo yes only connect one time. Lo this plan contract one time. Osem na, or no na blues. Maski or biket, Papa God yet, emet by holding promise plo emet, because this pa promise na plo, emet em true pla man. Now this pa story blo contract. Emi no something lo before. No God, this pa something em character blo God yet. Em so im passing na way blo God. Osem na this pa story continue, you know lo, Old Testament so no God em going up lo, New Testament too. You can look him lo New Testament. God and got same passing yet. Awesome. And we got the Old Testament when the malign Israel. M2 inside the New Testament, emi kirap him New contract. New contract one time more people. Emi look sabe lo all plat contract. Emi no work out good. Because all man meri work lo fail him. So okay, mas panin arba ting na inside lo book lo Jeremiah, prophet lo Jeremiah, make him this plat Tok Pisin lo by come up in nupla contract. You can look at Jeremiah chapter 31, verse 31, you go down lo 33. I'm talking about him. Big pela I talk more him. Harim. Me make him finish one pela time, na by me make him nupla contract one time or line belong Israel. Now line belong Judah. This pela contract by one kind of some contract before me make him one time or tumbuna belong all. Long time me kiss him all long Egypt na hold him hand belong all na bring him only come. Only been stop or some Mary belong me. Big pela me stop or some man belong all. That's all only broke him this all pla contract. That's all this plan upla contract. Me like make him one time all man Mary belong Israel. Emi osem. But me put him law belong me na lo ting blow all. Na by me write him talk belong law belong bell belong all. Na by me stop God belong all. Na all by stop line man Mary belong me. So I'm continue lo old black contract I go no new black contract. So making something no black. And pass employment one kind. But then pass a new black contract one time more line. Time Jesus come lo this background. Read him all get something lo this new black contract can come up. Met fulfill him na inap him this old black contract. No rouse him tasol. No God. Yet was a perfect man. No make him one plus sin. No make him one black cranky something. Na talk about him. Yes. By nap him na finish him this old contract. Na new black contract can come up. This you can look in Matthew chapter 5 verse 17. Jesus talk more him. You pela kenting mi can below rouse him talk belong law na talk belong prophet. No God. Me no come belong rouse him. Me come belong inap him true. So come lo inap him this black contract. This all get a pupla pasin well Israel must make him. Lo only can stop good inside lo this black contract, only can get good friendship one time God. Make it this black pupla pasin. Make it this black pupla something. Now finish him this black old black contract. Two out him talk. Now saw him God. No like him lot asol. Out him talk lo God. Like him bel bloman too. This black two plus something must come one time. This black law he got walk blame. Lo saw him passing no good blow. Now saw him was him only fail only abrus. Now all must come back lo God. But all kiss him was him lot asol. Law wem osem you may make him now osem mem tabu. But this law no kirap him this bell blow law only like him God now he's like pass one time out. That's why this is talk strong lo this talk yes bell blow man too masenis. Bell blow man masenis na behind him God true na like him true. Not about something Jesus make him lo this nubla contract. Can come up. Mark him on nubla line. Before you may look him Papa God they mark him this contract. One time all line blow Israel. One time all this 12 tribe where they stop inside lo Israel. Now Jesus mark him Hamas disciple or behind him. 12, huh? Same number or same all tribe blow Old Blood Testament. Now lo saw him too. Yes, this passing blow God them by go ahead yet. Passing blow God lo stop true na got talk promise by continue. But lo same line. No God now kind of line stop inside. Or get a line where I got like, look, join him God let, or got like, lo, hold him this pa contract one time, hold him this pa passing, this pa relationship, this pa friendship, lo, one time, all he can come inside. Now make him this pa contract now. Now Jesus too, and we make him one blah more something, lo read him this pa new blah contract. And we give him new blah mark, lo this blah contract. Mark lo new blah contract, one kind of some blow old blah contract. Mark lo old blah contract, and most of man where you stop inside this contract, inside this line man marry God, or must cut him skin blow. Or some mark, only can look him yes, only behind him God. Now two only got him this mark, the way where only hold him friendship one time God, all must walk him sacrifice. Or make him some wrong, or make him some sin, All two must bring him some bla offer, some bla sacrifice, some bla abus must die, blut must capside, lo raus him this pasin. Two and one bla mark, one bla sign lo this bla covenant. Okay. Na Jesus said em ready him road lo no bla contract. Lo osem emiet this bla good bla sacrifice through this bla perfect offer na last offer. Where mi napim this bla algera something, this bla algera law bla contract. Emiet this bla sacrifice na offer. First na last. Pinisim this bla walk lo sacrifice. Na two sign na power bla this bla no bla contract. Two give him this bla no bla mark lo this bla contract. Where you can read him lo Luke chapter 22 verse 20 go down. You can read him this bla story blo communion, this bla Lord's Supper, and this bla mark bla no bla covenant. So Jesus talk. Now I'm kiss him one bla bread. Now I'm thank you, Lord God. Now I'm broke him. Now I'm give him long all disciple. Emi talk this bla emi body blow me. Now me give him belong help him yupela. Yupela must make it awesome belong thingy me. Time only kai binis alright. I'm kiss him cup wine. Now me make one kind pasin lo him. Emi talk awesome this bla cup wine. Emi no bla contract. Me make him long blood belong me. Emi cup side him belong help. Me cup side him belong help him yupela. Awesome. Body blow him and kisi bagara blood blow him cup side. Lo emet first na last offer inside lo this bla no bla contract. Na through lo this bla sacrifice, through this bla offer blow him. Me bla can go inside to this bla contract. Me bla can stop one bell one time God. So emet make him this bla something come up. Now one bla last something come up. Lo so him was this bla contract now I'm up. Now I'm start. Inside lo temple, I got one bla room tambu, where some bla all high priest can go inside. Now walk his sacrifice inside. Now backside this bla room tambu, I got one this bla room tambu through. Well, Israel got thinking of him inside this bla room tambu through. Presence bla God stop. God stop here inside this bla hub. Now who side go inside this bla hub and by die. Because God did them holy. Now when a man go inside, no not but touch him this bla holy bla God blow you me. Now I'm by die. So I'm holy, no go through. Now I'm hard through go inside, no fret to this bla. Now lo banis him this bla room tambu through, lo this bla room tambu, he got one bla strong bla lap lap, where I'm stop banis him. Now all priest no nablo go inside, all man nothing to no nablo go inside. Strong bla banis lo this bla. Because all it talk was presence bla God yet. True God yet stop inside lo this bla room. Now time Jesus hang him up lo di white cross. Now lose him life blo him. Now me die finish. Lo Gospel bro John, you can read him this story. You can look him ground goria, heaven go too dark. Ground sick. Now this lap when banis him this room tambu through inside the temple. Brook lo namel. Split open. Now he got road lo go inside na come outside now. You know got something lo banis him this presence blo God lo go outside. You know got one plus something lo banis him or man go inside lo presence blo met. Minimosem this lab brook. So him this nupla contract up now. Lo who side he got like lo believe him Jesus. Who side he like lo behind him na holy friendship one time God yet. Na holy relationship one time can come inside of this contract. You can look him lo this story. Papa God one faithful man. You can trust him true man because I make him this walk lo contract before. Now walk lo contract lo nupla testament too. Now today too, one kind God yet, stop one time yumi. This I'm story bro Israel before, one time God, now I'm story, one time yumi, one time God too. Time yumi behind him. Me like finish him this short devotion, one time lilik mak, one time lilik pizza. Yumi or man Mary, yumi say handshake, quite quick time. Close to. Yumi look at one man, yumi second hand blow him, time blow him talk hello. Time me talk goodbye. Na namel time too. Henseki ko kam. Na hensek blo yumi mani mo semonem. Yumi one plug give him man narba olim. So all talk yes osema. Hensek blo yumi osem. Two bla olim one bla lose lose. Narba lose lose. Hensek blo papa God inara kain. Osem em can help him tingin mi bla lik lo em true bla man na em holim promise bla em na em trustworthy man. Hensek po Papa God emi no osem. Sabos one bla side lose no God. Hensek po Papa God em osem. Em two bla holim one time. One bla side em God yet, nara bla side em mi bla osem man na meri yet. So mi bla holim pasim bla em osem. Mi bla pass one time God. Mi bla like him em, mi bla behind him em, mi bla pass one time God. Some bla time mi bla slack. Oh, mi bla lose him lik strong lo dis bla holim han. Some bla time mi bla ting him lo, oh, mi bla go outside, mi bla behind him nara bla something. Na some bla time mi bla too less lo God. Na mi bla like broke him this bla covenant, mi bla like broke him this bla contact, na mi bla like run away. But one em, God em holim mi bla yet. God em holim mi bla yet stop close to them. Inap mi bla tu look save lo this bla come back na holim friendship one time em again. Because God, a man bla promise, a man bla holim promise. Inap lo em by come back, na mi look him through em stop one time bla. So pinisim this bla talk, mi like asking you. This bla talk em hama masim you. Or this bla talk em challenge him you. You can hama mas lo this bla side, lo yes, God em no God blog man. God em make lo, a man blow, make him talk, na come up him something too. Em promise him bla lo like him bla. Na em by stop, somebody want this bla promise plan. Em hold him this bla promise plan, mi go. So you me too can behind him this bla same style or something. You me no can gear man, you me make him good bla talk, na behind him talk bla you me taso. Em by good bla threat. You me make him promise, you me hold him too. You me talk yes, you me mean him yes. You me talk no, you me mean him no. And you me behind him style, na thinking, na character, bla Papa God. Time you me agree la one plus something, hold him this pa promise, now make him this plus something. Please. Thank you, Drew. La harem blow you. God bless.